Hello everybody, this is Beer, Blades, and Gear. In this video, I'm going to be doing a stress test on the new Estwing pocket knife. This knife cost me $17.98. I bought it at Lowe's. Not only am I going to be putting this knife through everyday carry tasks, but I'm also going to be doing some hard use tasks as well. Let's see how this baby holds up. We'll start out relatively light at first. Let's see how this does at processing cardboard. Okay, let's see how well it stabs. It's time to slice. This is where the serrations should come in handy. That was all too easy. Let's see how this knife holds up against a 2x4. Here's some batoning. Stabbing a milk carton is easy. Even a butter knife could do that. Let's see how it does against this pine round. Pretty good. How about some oak?
A Coors Light box isn't really cardboard.
Well, this is cardboard. So far, this knife has really held up well. Let's see if I can get it to fail. So we have this empty bucket here, and we have the knife. Let's see if I can fill this up with water, and if this knife can hold the weight. All right, let's see if it'll hold. Only time will tell. Definitely ain't light. I'm probably gonna splash water all over myself right now. Ugh. Oh, wow, that's impressive. Let me bring it back a little further. It kind of slipped all the way back. Yeah, I'm impressed. Man, this knife is definitely a beater. Come on. Let's check out the condition of this knife after all that abuse. It definitely doesn't work, but maybe after some minor surgery, I can get this thing to operate properly again. So I wasn't able to nurse this knife back to good health. Ultimately, it was the liner lock that failed. See how it's all the way over there? And then the handle jiggled loose as well. But I'd say overall, this knife really took quite a beating. Thank you all so much for watching, and you have an amazing day.